70% of the universe is a mysterious entity called dark energy. And we have no idea what it is. It's a force that's the opposite of gravity. So, as we are speaking right now, the space between galaxies is moving faster than the speed of light, something called the cosmological constant, described by Einstein. After he described it, he said, it's an embarrassment. I didn't mean it, or something like that. But he was actually right. There is some entity that is expanding the universe faster than the speed of light. We don't know what it is, except it's the opposite of gravity. So that leaves 30% of the universe. 27% is another mysterious entity called dark matter. The reason it's called dark matter, it's invisible. Normally things like this, or your body, or this piece of furniture. You can see it, you can touch it, but dark matter is invisible. So why do we call it matter? It's responsible for most of the gravity in the universe. So if you didn't have dark matter, planets would spiral off and disappear into intergalactic space. You and I wouldn't be here. Now we have 3% of the universe that remains, which is the atomic universe. Of that, 99.999% is invisible interstellar dust. We think it is hydrogen and helium created at the Big Bang. So now we are left with 2 trillion galaxies, 700 sextillion stars, and uncountable trillions of planets. According to the James Webb Telescope, maybe 60 billion habitable planets in the Milky Way galaxy alone. They look for things like the Goldilocks zone, the temperature, gravity, electromagnetic activity. But based on that, 60 billion habitable planets in the Milky Way galaxy. If a planet is too close to its sun, it's too hot, no life. Too far away, too cold, no life. But other factors like cosmological constants. It's almost certain that the universe is full of life. But that's 0.01% of the universe. Atomic. We also know that atoms are made of particles, and when you're not looking at those particles, they disappear into what are called waves. Where do these waves come from? They use words like Hilbert space, this and that. Bottom line, the space that creates the universe and atoms is a mathematical space in mathematical imagination. It's not a real space. So bottom line, what's the universe made of? Nothing.